We have an incredible trading strategy here at Quotex. It will be a positive trading session with a promising profitability rate. This strategy can be traded on either OTC or regular markets, and we generally see weekly gains in our daily profit. Please remember to invest only what you can afford to lose. First, we'll attach our Bollinger Band to the chart, with a period of 13 and a deviation of 3. It's important to note that this is merely a supplementary indicator to our trading method. These settings are ideal for a 1-minute candle chart, but we will be trading for 15 seconds. There are 2 versions of our Bollinger Bands. One identifies trends, while the other spots reversals. Next, we'll add our ADX oscillator. With the ADX oscillator, we can easily identify strong trends. ADX is also an excellent indicator for binary options. Set the ADX smoothing to 10 and DI length to 11. Once the ADX is added to the chart, I will guide you on how to use it for trading with a 1-minute expiration time. Observe this long red wick, indicating a possible shift upward. It also produces a green candle, confirming that the trend will rise for a few seconds. Our ADX shows momentum going higher, making it good for trading. Our candle bar also touches the lower Bollinger Bands. Let's trade higher. To gain a solid understanding of how trading works, I can recommend some legitimate free resources. You can find comprehensive trading courses on websites like babypips.com and investopedia.com. If you're interested in additional strategies to excel in binary options, consider using our trading indicators for further trading ideas. We've achieved strong trading results. Let's examine another currency pair. In this case, the trend is downward. I will change our ADX color lines to better identify strong trends and will adjust the plus DI color to yellow. As you can see, our trend is balanced, but our ADX lines are squeezed until they reach the breakout point. Our candle here has already reached the highest resistance level, suggesting a potential reversal point. Given the current situation and the fact that our ADX yellow line is at the same level as the green line or ADX line, let's trade lower. This situation indicates a high chance of reversal. Our ADX's strength diverges due to high demand for an uptrend in price. Consequently, I will trade it and wait for success. We may lose this one as I miscalculated the trend. However, I'm confident that we can recover by employing the Martingale strategy at this point. Let's double our trade here. As the ADX shifts up along with our candle bar, let's trade another currency pair. Here's a good spot trending downwards, just like the previous trade. Okay, that was a loss. Let's trade higher for Australian dollar to Swiss franc. See the whole video and don't forget to like and subscribe with us to get free trading strategies with Quotex broker and other binary options broker.